Do your line types look perfect in model space but suddenly disappear in layout? You're not alone, and in this video, I'll show you the quick fix to make sure your dashed, center, and hidden lines show properly in your AutoCAD 2025 layout views and printouts. Here in model space, the line types are working fine. You can see dashed and center lines clearly. But once I switch to layout view, they all look like solid lines. This can be super frustrating, especially if you're preparing a final drawing set or printing. Here's how to fix it in just 2 simple steps. Type PSLTSCALE in the command line and hit enter. Then type 1 and hit enter again. This tells AutoCAD to scale your line types relative to paper space so they display correctly. Now go to your Layout tab and type REGENALL. This reloads the view with the new line type settings applied. To make sure everything's working, you can click Print Preview and now you'll see your line types exactly as they should appear in your PDF or paper plots. Let me show you on a real example. Here's a floor plan where all the line types, like dashed property lines and center lines, show perfectly in model space, but not in layout. So again, I type PSLTSCALE then type 1. Then go to the Layout tab and type REGENALL, and there you go. Line types are back and display just right. And that's it. No more missing line types in AutoCAD 2025 layouts. If this saved you from hours of frustration, hit that like button and subscribe.